How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'll be reviewing this CoPedvic bug zapper. They sent this to me for my honest review. It came in an outer Amazon box. It was well padded. Then it came in its own box. See here. And it came in this bubble wrap bag. I'm going to take it out. I've already looked at it. It's not that heavy either. Okay. And this is what it looks like. Okay. Comes with an instruction pamphlet, paper, safety instructions, how to clean it. Okay. And it's mainly for indoor use, but you can put it outside long as it's not raining. You don't want this to get wet at all. So if you're sitting outside chilling, you can bring it with you. Or if you have a covered patio or screened-in porch, you can go out there. Okay. It has two little loops at the top, and it comes with a chain that you can hang it on the wall. It has little things like that. You can loop the chain, loop the hooks through these little bumps on the top, and hang it on the wall. Like I said, it's meant for indoors, but if you got a lot of flies and mosquitoes and stuff in your house, then you need it. But if I was going to use it, I would take it outside and plug it in, and then just bring it back in when I'm done, or stick it under the porch, the steps or something, so it wouldn't get wet. Okay. What it is it has two fluorescent light bulbs, the long tube bulbs, see that? And when you plug this in, the lights are blue. And there's a electrified grid in here that's encasing the lights, and that's what actually electrocutes the flying insect. Okay, and the insects can fly in there from either side, back and the front. Okay. It has an on-off switch on the side. This up here is this metal or plastic? I don't know what it is. I don't know what this is made out of. Of course, this is all metal. I don't know what this is. It has like a 3-foot cord. And it has this tray for easy cleanup when the bugs are electrocuted and they fall into here. Just take the tray out and dump it and rinse it out. And I'm sure when it's in use, the bugs are going to be stuck all to the grid inside of there. So they have screws on here that you can undo, so you can take a brush or something and clean the grid off. Of course, you'd have to unplug it first. This kind of plug it has, a grounded 3-prong plug. And like I said, you do not want to get this wet. Okay, so when it gets dark, I'm going to plug this in so you can actually see. I'm going to go outside and I'm going to set it on the porch or somewhere so you can actually see it work. See it light up But I can't see myself using it in the house because we don't have flies and mosquitoes in the house unless we have a barbecue or something and people are in and out. So that's my little short review for this CoPedvic bug zapper. And I'll put the link, the Amazon link, in my description box. And I'm not through with this video yet, because I'm going to finish filming this later on when it's dark outside, so we can see it at work. So, thanks for watching. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And I will be back later. Bye. Let me hold this up so y'all can see. Okay, I got this thing on my back porch. That's how it looks, and so far it hasn't caught any flying insects. That's how it looks. So I will be out here later to see if it's caught anything. Maybe it's still not dark enough, I don't know. I see some little things flying. Oh, it's caught something. One thing is on the grid. I don't know if y'all see it, but I see it. So this light is supposed to attract things. So I'll be back. Okay, this has been out here for about 5 minutes now. I'm trying to show y'all. It caught bugs, got all kind of little flying things. Mosquitoes, I don't know what this is, wasp. So, okay, I'm going in the house because I don't want to get bit by a mosquito. So, and there's a little tray here where I can empty this where the bugs are in. So I don't know how well you can see it. Y'all see the bugs on the grid? Okay, I'm gonna unplug this and go in. Okay, just brought this in the house. I just saw another something get zapped. I see something flying around in there now. Look down in that grid, well, in the tray, little bugs. Stuff is still moving. I see a lightning bug. Walter actually got upset. He said, "Why are you killing the bugs that are outside? They're supposed to be outside." I said, "Well, I gotta give the people a good review." So, well, I don't see anything else being zapped. So, I'm going to end this video. This thing's still moving. I don't want no bugs in here. So, I want to thank you for watching. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel.